If haptics are not working in silent mode on your iPhone, then don't worry. Here are some effective steps to resolve the issue and get your haptic feedback functioning again. Before you follow anything, turn off low power mode and turn off do not disturb mode. Solution 1. Enable vibration. Open settings, scroll down, tap accessibility, scroll down, tap touch, scroll down, turn on vibration. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Enable haptics in silent mode. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap sounds and haptics. Scroll down to the ring silent mode switch section. Toggle on play haptics in silent mode. This ensures that you still receive haptic feedback even when your phone is in silent mode. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the haptics not working in silent mode on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips. And stay tuned for the next video.